Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video, guys. If you have a BMW Z4, guys, and you're trying to actually clean your Vanos Solenoid, let's say you have engine light on and code related to Vanos Solenoid, even if it's working correctly, if it's a dirty solenoid, it will be malfunctioning, guys, and not working correctly, and that can actually mess your variable timing. So we'll show you guys how to clean it. We have done that to multiple BMWs and they perform really good after that. All the tools, guys, parts, anything that we use, even if you need to buy a new solenoid, we'll share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Something else, guys, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep providing that free information to you guys. Let me show you what we have. This is a 6-cylinder engine. Okay, that can be found in BMW Z4. But even if you have a 4-cylinder engine, guys, BMW engines 4, 6, 8, the procedure will be about the same for cleaning the solenoids. And I want to, guys, share something else with you. This is our main channel. It's called Auto Repair, guys. We have helped more than 71 million people, and we have information that can save you thousands of dollars. So please check it out, guys. Okay, subscribe. There is so much information that can save you so much money. So this is the solenoid. In order to correctly clean it, guys, we'll have to manually activate it. Okay, open and close that solenoid multiple times to clean it the good way. You have two wires, and we're going to apply 12-volt supply from a car battery, 2 wires, and it doesn't matter where you put positive or negative, as long as you don't touch these 2 wires together. Otherwise, you will short things out and you will need to buy a new solenoid. So you have to be extremely careful what we actually use. Okay, we actually, guys, use alligator clips, and we'll put the links in the description of the video below. These alligator clips reduce the chance, okay, for the 2 wires to touch each other. So that's what we're going to do here now. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to use carb and choke cleaner, okay, or you can use mass airflow cleaner. We're going to use some engine oil. That's the oil that we use, liquid moly. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. And when we apply 12-volt supply, guys, actually that solenoid will open and close. So let's just show you quick how it's going to open and close, and then we'll show you guys, okay, how we are going to clean it. So check it out now. Okay, this one came loose, so we just want to show you guys, okay, how to open and close it quick. Okay, perfect. Now check it out. Okay, what's going to happen when we apply 12-volt supply? You will see the solenoid opening and closing. Perfect. So let's go ahead and clean it now. So what we're going to do now, we're going to circulate open and close, okay, and you're going to see that the solenoid will open and close too. While we're doing that, I'm going to get a throttle body and air intake cleaner, or we can use mass airflow sensor cleaner, and I'm going to spray in each of these holes, guys. Okay, we're going to do that. Check out, okay, what oil is coming out, okay, debris. We open, close. Let's keep it open now. Okay, let's just keep it open, and I'll spray again, spray on the phone. Okay, let's close it. And we're going to keep doing that. Okay, guys, do it for a few minutes. Okay, 1-2 minutes, guys. Close it, open it until only clean stuff come out. Okay, just like that. So now let us show you guys, okay, what else you need to do. You can see how much louder it's getting now, the clicking. So definitely, guys, we have quite a bit of improvement, and you can see how much stuff it came out of it. So what we're going to do next, guys, we're going to get some engine oil. This is the engine oil that we love to use in our BMWs and Mercedes, guys. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get some from. And now we're going to get clean oil, circulate it, open and close, and I'm going to lubricate everything on the inside through the little holes. Okay, make sure that everything goes on the inside, guys. Dip it a few times. You can even put it in clean oil and circulate it a few times. Even a container of oil, and circulate it, make sure that everything lubricates and clean oil comes out. So that's how you guys, okay, you can see, do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If that doesn't fix your problem, we'll have the link in the description of the video below where you can buy one. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.